Meaning of Danegeld.
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 Danegeld. Danegeld was a tax levied in medieval England to pay off Danish invaders and prevent further raids. The word Danegeld comes from the Old Norse words danr meaning Dane and geld meaning payment. The tax was first levied in 991 AD and continued intermittently until the Norman conquest in 1066. While it did provide some short-term relief from Viking attacks, it ultimately encouraged more raids as the Vikings saw the payment as a sign of weakness and an invitation to further incursions.